I do feel really passionate about Glowforge, not just having the machine, but what the machine can do and the capabilities behind it. My name is Char, and I am a woodworker and a woodshop teacher in Atlanta, Georgia, and I own a Glowforge. I first learned about Glowforge about 3 years ago, and I was so surprised and excited to see that there was a machine that you could literally put a piece of wood in, tell it what to do, and you come out with something amazing. I never dreamed of making what I'm creating now. I thought some things were just not attainable as a woodworker. I'm used to heavy machinery and cutting large pieces, but not so much small, precise pieces, and it has completely expanded my creativity and what I can do and how I can incorporate laser engraved and laser cut items into the woodworking pieces that I build. When I got my Glowforge last summer, I didn't know exactly what I was going to use it for. The makerspace where I teach woodshop had a Glowforge, but of course we were closed due to the pandemic, and I needed to have all the tools in my shop that we had at the makerspace. So I sprung for it, and I'm so glad that I did, because I can be inside at night running the Glowforge, and it just makes everything super convenient to have a machine right here inside your home that does these magical things. An investment in the Glowforge just helps me do what I love even more, and that's be a creative person, make personalized gifts for people. And I am a lifelong learner of creativity. If there's something new out on the market, I'm going to get it. I'm so excited to finally be able to share my design of the month. This amazing jewelry box that even has this awesome little section where you can put jewelry in, watches. It could even be for kids. You can use it for pens, pencils, thumbtacks, and the coolest part, this is the part I like the most. It's kind of hard to do with one hand. I'm gonna flip the camera around. So it even has drawers that slide out. And look at this awesome flip handle here. And this is mostly constructed without any glue, and you cannot see any box joints at all in this, and that is what makes it cool. It's still laser cut. Can you see that design? Isn't that awesome? Thanks for taking this journey with me through the world of Glowforge to see what all the possibilities can be and how creative you can be. I truly enjoyed working on this jewelry box, and I hope everybody enjoys the design of the month.